Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to add friends on Clash Royale using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. First of all, you want to open your Clash Royale, and then there are 3 ways to do this, okay? So the first way is to just go ahead and click on the social option or icon at the upper right side of your screen. And then here you can just go ahead and click on invite friend. Then now just go ahead and click on that, click on copy. And then you can paste that on your conversations with your friends, just like that. And then the second way is to, when you're on battle, you can just go ahead and add your friend during that game. Okay, so the last option that you have is to just go ahead and connect your account on Supercell. So to do that, just go ahead and click on the 3 little lines at the upper right side of your screen. Click on settings, and here instead of connected, you should see connect your account on Supercell. So just go ahead and click on that, and then if you don't have an account, just go ahead and register. So now if you have your account, just go ahead and click on connected, and then here you can just go ahead and add friends by clicking the add button. Now you can share your QR code or scan your QR code, share link to profile, add your Clash Royale friend. So you can simply choose in any of these options. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.